Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you what you can do that can earn you a lifetime income. Do you have a content? Are you good in writing news or articles? Are you good in teaching? Take your ideas, knowledge to online. I will show you how you could publish your passion for free and earn a lifetime survival income. So I am going to show you today on how to create a blog, publish your passion, and start earning. You can quickly navigate yourself to your Chrome. Make sure you have an internet connection. Go to blogger.com and it will bring you this interface. So if it brings you to this interface, the next thing you will do is to choose a name for your blog. After you choose your name for your blog, then you can now choose your blog URL. Okay, I'm going to choose a name for my blog. Victory King blog. Okay, join this Victory King blogs. Why? Okay, I will now say next. I'm doing this with my phone, that is to show you that you can do this from your very cell phone. Okay, then on this place now I'm going to choose my blog URL. Okay, and I'll say okay, Victory King blog. So it's going to be a customized one. Hey, I need you to understand something. On this very website, you are not going to pay for anything. You don't pay for hosting, you don't pay for anything at all. Everything here is free, and you can start monetizing your blog with this customized with this subdomain blog, with this subdomain name, pending when you want to buy a domain name. Okay, so it is okay. This victoryking blog.blogspot.com. Okay, I'll now click on save. This is very simple. It's processing now. Now I have a what? Don't be surprised, I have a blog. So where the real work is where is the customization aspect, the theme choosing aspect, the name, the page creation, adding social icons, and many more. Okay, so now let's just see our blog. Let's see what we have created. Wow, can you see Victory King's blog? So there's nothing here for now, and you can see my URL here, victorykingsblog.blogspot.com. okay, if I want to copy my URL here, I can copy here, and when you paste it on the browser, you're going to find me. Okay, so let's go back. So in this place, start. This start shows the statistic of how many people, of how many visitors, the traffic that came to your blog, to your website that very day. Okay, to show you the people available, delete this post. So it will show you all of this. Okay, now in this place it shows your followers. In the second one, the post show you how many posts you have made. Then the comment section shows you how many people post comments on your blog. So in this place, this is a post. In this place, this is where you post your blog body. So your post will be made here. So on the comment section tells you how many people commented. Well, so whosoever commented on your blog, it will appear here. Okay, it will appear here. Okay, it will appear here. So under the earnings, this earning here, yeah, this earning here shows you, this earning here allows you to place an AdSense on your blog and you earn money monthly. Okay, you can now say create a new AdSense account. Start earning from ads by creating AdSense account. When you set up an AdSense account, we will automatically now place, they will automatically place it on your website, and every month you'll be generating funds, real money. Okay, so on this page is where you can add something like this. Let me show it to you. Page is where you can add something like this: home, about me, and minimal. You can see it. Okay, that is for the page. So, and for the layout, in this layout, this is where you customize your blog. This is where your blog, this shows how your blog looks like. You can see in these very places, you can customize your blog. So in case you're having difficulties in the interface, you can go to this very place, click desktop view, so that you can see everything completely. Okay, so this is the blog, Victory King's blog. Okay, this is the ad. Should you wish to place ad, this is the page body, this is the footer, this is the footer. I'll show you what footer means in some time. So this is the search blog, this is the about me, this is also in the sidebar, about me, which is the profile, the blog archive, the label, the report abuse. Okay, so let's go back. On the theme, these themes here shows you a lot of themes. You can choose anyone for your blog. Okay, you can see a lot of them. You can choose anyone you wish for your blog, depending on how you want your blog to be. So if I choose one of these themes now, you're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so for now, maybe we should choose one. Maybe we should choose one of these themes and see. Let's look for the one that is much more beautiful. Maybe we'll take this one and see. Then we can say apply. I got it. Okay, this theme has been applied. Let's go to our blog and see. View blog. Wow, you see it. So this is what the themes looks like. If you don't like this, you can still go back there and choose another that you would like. We'll take this, right? Now, let's give it a look. You see this? So you can keep a kind of refreshing or changing those things until you get what you want, what suits your websites. So let's try this red one. This is what the red ones looks like. Okay, I was thinking maybe we should leave it on this red one first. We go back there. So on the settings here, you can set, okay, you see the blog title, the description. In this description, you tell the blogger.com what your blog is all about. Okay, in this description, maybe your blog is all about articles writing, maybe it's all about business, maybe it's online teaching, whatever it is. Maybe it's photography blog, business blog, news blog, whatever it is, you can just indicate it here. So other contents, okay, this favicon is where you will insert your logo. You see, you can just choose and insert your logo over there. That is the important of the favicon. So the privacy policy, visible to search engine. Yes, our blog is visible to search engine. And this is our blog address, Victory King's blog, Victory King blog, Victory King blog.blogspot.com. So in this custom domain name, should you have purchased any custom domain name, you can fix it there. This is our redirection. This is the HTTP redirecting. Permissions, blog admin and authors, Victory King. So pending authors invite, we have not invited any authors. So the maximum post that is going to appear on our page is 7 for now. You can see it. So post templates, is optional. So comment is embedded. Who can comment? Users with Google account, yes. Comment moderation, never. For post older than 14 days, take it away. Comments from message. So post using email, is disabled. So on the time zone, we can set the right time. If not, you can change it. So in these tags, what you enable tags, maybe what your thing is all about. Maybe you can say news or online teaching or digital marketing. Digital marketing, online teaching, and minimal. Just always separated by comma. Monetization, should you place any ad, then turn on the monetizations. So the site feed allow. So this is all for this. So the next thing I'll quickly going to show you is how to simply write a blog post. So we can come to this place, click on post, click on new. Okay, I can also just come to this and say, okay, hello world. And I say, okay, this is my first post. Can I see this? This is my first post. You see this, right? Okay. You want to shift it. you use this. If you want to add picture, you use this. If you want to add video, you use this. If you want to align it, you use this. So minimum. If you want to add label now, say okay, come to label my first post. You can add as many as you want. You can add as many labels. This is like a blogger tag. Okay, then you can come to permalink, and this permalink, it is I just advised you always put it on custom so that it will not be too long. If not, all this is going to appear before your post link. Before your post link, you can answer okay, my first blog, right? And that is okay. Very simple. The next thing you will do is to preview it. And answer, hello world, this is my first blog. See, label my first blog. You see this? Then you can just go back and say okay, publish. Now see, this is our first post. Okay, this is our first post. Okay, if this is our first post, then we have made a post. Then let's go back to view the blog. You can see it, right? Let me refresh it, you see it. It was published on this Sunday, 26 June 2022, and these are posts. Say hello world, this is my first post. As simple as that. Okay, so creating a blog is very simple, and believe me, this can earn you a lifetime income. All you just need to do, just for you to be creative, be very creative. Just know how to write content. If writing articles or content is giving you a tough time, then I will show you personally on how to write articles, on how to plagiarize. You will just on how to copyright. I'm going to drop that video in a soon time on how to copyright, so that everything will just be easy on you. You will copyright freely without plagiarisms. Okay, so I think these are just the basics. Yeah, these are the basics. We are going to look at how to add pages in my next class. How to add pages in my next class. How to fully customize your blog. We'll be looking at that in my next class. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. But before I go, please, if you find any value from this video, please don't forget to smash the like buttons, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. And also, if you are just joining us and you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel to enable this video to go viral and enable me to go to another level of teaching on YouTube. So thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.